Welcome to Algodecathlon. Day 3. Today is long jump, as you saw. Because I had to redo this baby. So here are the points. We're gonna do it by scoreboard version. So green is first. Go! I tried to be like 4. We don't want to be 4 now. I'm gonna put the contestants that are competing over here. Pretty sure this ain't copyright. Because if it is, I'm gonna be shocked. Because a lot of people use it in their videos. Don't question it. It's my drink. If they don't hurry up, I'm just gonna put everyone in. They aren't hurrying up. I'm impatient. Don't judge me. I'm impatient. Alright, green first. You're only gonna see like a glimpse of them, but I'll be able to see a little bit of them. Oh, maroon. Oh, navy. What is going on down there? Oh, navy. Trying to get back in the frame. Pretty sure that everything's okay. You 4 tied. Well, we have a lot of people who tied. Wow. Pretty sure, purple's first place now. Oh yeah, I forgot. Points. Oh god. Points for the challenge. Get down there. Oh yeah, if anyone saw my object dream video, then that's good. I think that's only gotten 1 view. Why do people keep it tying? Oh my god. Stop tying. Oh yeah, if you go in someone's single road, then that means you out. On your little box. Even his little box. Even his little box. Even his little box. Everyone can go into 0 zone. Olive, how are you missing? Why was a single boy? Well, green's now in first place. Shockingly enough. I guess it's Magenta gets the further possession. No, more lag. No, not ads. No! That's copyright. Alright, so here are the scores. I'll do them now. Here's what everyone got in the challenge, and now I'll do the real scores. Here are the scores. Lavender, navy, yellow, and tan. You four on the bottom 4. So I'm gonna put you guys in the orange. Vote for one of these 4 to be eliminated. Whoever gets the most votes will leave the show. Actually, do you know what? I ain't gonna let the viewers vote. I'm gonna let the contestants vote right now. Alright, the contestants will vote on one of you will be eliminated. Lavender did the worst performance of everyone. Navy, you were in the top 7. Yellow, you were in the bottom 4 of the challenge. Well, yellow was. And navy, you were in the top 7 with. Well, tan, you were in the top 5. And navy, you were in the top 7. Why you bullying me? No! Alright, so contestants are gonna vote now. By the way, if someone gets votes, they will switch with the last placer. So yeah. Alright, so at least all of you got a vote. Lavender, you're safe with only 0 votes. Tan, you've been eliminated with 4, 5, 6, 7 votes. Reason why you're out is because you were just a huge target, and I feel like that the contestants would have wanted you gone because, you know, you're just bad. Any last words before you go? Ugh. The people who voted for me, if I rejoin, I am coming after you. You better be ashamed on what you did. I'm like the star of the show. And you're never gonna stop me. Ever. And that is that. Another contestant get down. And we have a lot more to go. What do you think will happen in next episode? Find out whenever the episode comes out. Oh yeah, here's what he placed. Here was his previous day. Well, that was like once from Brown got eliminated. Once whatever Lime got eliminated. Tan placed into the bottom 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of the challenge, but he did pretty good. Well, he got it for 11th place. But then he went to 13th, I'm pretty sure. Then he improved his performance with a 5th place, but he found out that it was going to be a bottom 4. He went in the bottom 4 and was eliminated. Lavender and Tan have now switched places. What do you think will be eliminated Oh yeah, at least everyone's now in the double digits. Oh yeah, this scoreboard can only hold up to 3 digits. Like how BFTI was. Yeah, anyways, bye.